What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Willie Smith, aka Willie Nillie Knits, here with Jimmy Bean's Wool. Provisional cast on is my favorite cast on of all time. You can do so many things with it. I use it for all of my hats. I use it for most of my sweaters. And it's just an amazing technique to have in the toolbox. Let me show you how to do it. Here's an example of provisional cast on. I'm using it for my sweater. I had a long side and a short side, so it helps me figure out where to unzip and where to really figure that out. It's going to be really awesome. So what we need for the provisional cast on is a needle, scrap yarn, and a crochet hook. So we're going to grab our crochet hook right here. We're going to make ourselves a slip knot to start. Let's go ahead and make that slip knot right quick. Nothing to it. Grab our crochet hook. We're going to create our short side. So for me, my magic number is 3 stitches. So I'm just going to make 3 stitches here. 3 chains. There's 1. There's 2. 1 more. There's 3. Easy peasy. Then I'm going to grab my needle. All right. Here's my knitting needle. I'm going to lay my knitting needle down on the yarn like a hammock. All right. My needle is just laying on that yarn like a hammock there. I'm going to go ahead and grab that strand there. Get myself together. Grab that strand there and draw up that loop right underneath the needle. Okay? You see how I reset that? I'm going to do a bunch of these so we can see. Wrap, reset, get it like a hammock, pull through. I'm making loops over the needle. All right? See how I'm doing that? Pull through. Reset, wrap around, pull through. Reset, wrap around, pull through. Reset, wrap around, pull through. Easy peasy. Get it laying like a hammock, pull through. That's all we're doing, y'all. We're going to do the desired amount of stitches, whatever that number is for you. And once you get the amount that you want, you're going to go ahead and chain a very long amount, some kind of obnoxious amount, just to let you know that you have a long side. I did about 7 right there. Break my yarn, pull through, and there you have it. You have a short side and a long side. You always want to make sure you start from the short side so you can unzip from the long side. That, my friends, is the provisional cast on. Enjoy. You have the power.